Ready? We're gonna cut a piece here because we need a small piece so we can measure the height distance from up the windows. So I'm gonna cut this. Okay, so we held it up and we got these marks here where the windows line up. So we did that part, but where do you cut along the bottom? That's the hard part. But the trick is you take a small piece like this and you lock it into place, and then you know just where to mark it instead of trying to measure and guess. And in this instance, it's like right here, right at that mark there. So double check the other side. It's in the exact same spot. So now we know. Then we take this piece, which is square and marked, and we put it up to where we marked the windows right here, here, and here, and then that window over there. So
that mark there is the window down here, the first window.
Right, exactly. It's because they're not the same. So I'm glad Mary brought that up. So we're going down to this window mark right here. It's the first one. We make sure that this is tight up there. We don't want to do that because then the mark won't be right. So we bring it up like this. We make our square mark for a notch. You know, sometimes it could be way down here, wherever the mark is. And then you just make your mark all the way to it. And then we just run this piece along as a guide. Again, if the mark was down here, you'd be doing the same thing. And then, you know, we just come along. We don't even really need to make a mark because we could see, you know, where it is on that ridge there. So right there. Sounds like the garbage is here, huh?
Yep.
Okay, so that one's ready to notch out, and it will slide right up under. We may have to put a piece of trim also, they call it under sill trim. Now this one is different. This window is higher. I'm not sure why, because the siding is perfectly level. This window was installed higher. So see, this one gets cut up here actually. Maybe a little lower, right about there. But because they're different, we have to make sure that we have that. So there again, we bring it up there like that, make the mark down to where it is. This mark won't be seen. Probably shouldn't have done it, you know. But it goes all the way over like that, and then there. And again, if the cut was down here further, it would work exactly the same. Yeah, you just hold your pencil at your mark and go slide it along as you go. And use this as a square. Works out really nice. A little trick for siding. And we'll show you some more other tricks later on. So thanks for watching.